What's a mystery? A mystery is something unknown or someone lost in time. The world is filled with mysteries, from how the pyramids were built to Area 51. So in this edition of Play with Infotech, I'm your Infinite Leroy, and this is the mystery of D.B. Cooper. On a sunny afternoon of November 24th, 1971, in an airport in Portland, a man named Dan Cooper bought a ticket to Seattle. As he got onto the plane, Dan ordered a bourbon and a club soda and gave a note to the flight attendant that stated, "I have a bomb in my briefcase. I will use it if necessary. I want you to sit next to me. You are being hijacked." As soon as the flight attendant sat down, Dan handed over another note that stated, "I want $200,000 in ransom and 4 parachutes." The officials agreed. As soon as they landed in Seattle, the passengers were traded for the money and the parachutes, but 4 of the airline staff remained in the plane. Cooper told the captain to set a course to Mexico City, but it was impossible to reach Mexico City without refueling, so they had to stop. At a little past 8 p.m., Cooper jumped with the ransom in the wilderness area between Seattle and Reno, never to be found. The flight attendant last saw him wearing on a parachute, getting ready to jump. The FBI extensively searched the area for clues, but found nothing. Some people believe that D.B. Cooper died because of the 2 parachutes he chose out of the 4. One turned out to be a dummy parachute and the other an old military grade one. Along with this, there was a huge storm that followed him during his leap of faith. But the FBI had the serial numbers of the notes given to Cooper, so they published it in the newspaper, but due to some miscommunication, the newspaper got the name wrong and printed his name as D.B. Cooper instead of Dan Cooper, and the rest is history. The FBI were so anxious, so they started giving rewards to any person who produced evidence about him. The only evidence left back by Dan Cooper is as follows: a black tie, cigarette butts which are misplaced, and over 60 fingerprints. But in 1980, a boy from Tina Bay found money buried, which matched the serial numbers of the money given to Dan Cooper. How the money reached there? That's a mystery. The FBI questioned more than 1,000 suspects. The most famous of the bunch are David Floyd McCoy, who was arrested for the same case of skyjacking, and another suspect is L.D. Cooper, whose niece came forward to say that her uncle was in a strange Thanksgiving plot and even met with an accident. Kenneth Christian was a suspect too, after confessing on his deathbed. But in 2016, FBI closed the case of D.B. Cooper. But in 2018, an ex-Navy officer, Robert Rackstraw, was said to be D.B. Cooper after some handwritten letters were found, and he's said to be protected by the FBI and the government too. So who you think is D.B. Cooper? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and join us.